All right, ladies and gentlemen, today it's Rafi Chowdhury here with RafiChowdhury.com, and today we're going to learn how to basically take a whole bunch of photos, merge them all into one picture, and create some sort of a collage. So today we're using this software that's basically a free website called PhotoJoiner, and I've went ahead and selected a frame that has basically 8 squares in it. So we're going to put 8 different photos in this one picture and save it. And for the purposes of this today, I'm basically making a collage for all the different publications where I write, and I'm taking snapshots of each one of those places so that I can put them all in one image and kind of show all the places where I write. So here's my profile on Entrepreneur Magazine. I'm going to be taking this and taking a screenshot of this picture. So here we go. And I'm going to be saving this as Entrepreneur. Next, I'm going to go to my profile on Huffington Post. I'm going to go to my other profile on Huffington Post. And take a screenshot of this. There we go. And I'm going to save this one as Huffington Post. Let's see, that's the third one, so I have 5 more to go. So next I'm going to go to my profile on BuzzFeed. Uh-oh. All right, new picture. I'm going to take it right now. There's my screenshot. I'm going to save this one as BuzzFeed. Next, I'm going to go to my profile on Business to Community. And there's my profile on Business to Community. I'm going to now take another screenshot. There is my screenshot, and I'm going to save this as Business to Community. Next, I'm going to go to my author account on, what's this? On business.com. So there's my author profile right here. I'm going to click it, and it takes me to my actual author profile. And I'm going to take another screenshot here. And save this as business.com. And I'm going to go to my profile on Startup Grind. And here's my profile for Startup Grind. So I'm going to take a snapshot of this as well. and I'm gonna save this as startup grind. Save 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 6th one. So 2 more publications we can cover in this 8 slotted photo collage maker template. Let's go to my profile on Goodman project. Here's my profile on the Goodman project. Another screenshot. Save this as well as Goodman project. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be the 7th one, and then one more. Let's go to my profile on. Let me see where else I write. Got Buzzed. Thrive Global might be one to consider. Your Tango might be another one to consider. Thrive Global. Here's my profile on Thrive Global. Taking a screenshot of this as well. Saving this one as Thrive Global. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 8th one. Now that I've gotten all my screenshots, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Collage Maker, and I'm going to start uploading these on there. So you click Open, click Computer. You go back to where these things were. If I can open it. I'm going to start with Forbes. Oh, you can just, oh, that's so convenient. You can just upload them in any order you want. Maybe I can upload, maybe I cannot do all of them, huh? Oh, I can. I've already done Forbes. Let's do these first. Then let's do the rest of these. So now we want to put Forbes right here in the middle somewhere, because that's the biggest publication where I'm writing currently. So we probably want to drag this to right here. Then we want to do a Huffington Post. We want to do Entrepreneur Magazine somewhere right here. We can throw in this one here, business.com. We can throw in business to community over here. We can throw in BuzzFeed down here. Goodman Project. Startup grind. Boom. Got all of them in there now. Now we're going to save this image. The Forbes one is kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can redo that one because I don't see the word Forbes anywhere on this picture. Let's see. Forbes. Yeah, I'm probably gonna want to read that last one. I hope it saved all this stuff that I just uploaded. Oh well, if it doesn't, it's okay. I got everything right here. Let's go ahead and delete the Forbes one and redo that one. Oh, there it is. Capture all of this time. Save this one as Forbes. Go back to this thing and open. Click computer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them now. What's going on? I just have no idea what just happened there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's weird how we ended up having 9 of them in here. Let's get rid of one of these. Let's get rid of Thrive Global. Let's put the Forbes one here. Huffington Post. Entrepreneur. Goodman. Oh. Goodman Project. Business to Community. BuzzFeed. Business.com. There we go. Save. All right, now that you have this picture, you're going to download this photo. There it is. Then all you're going to do is you're going to save it. And what's going to be helpful for me is if I save it into that other folder where I saved all those other pictures. I'm going to save it and call it official photo. Save it. And that's it. And if I go to my folder, just make sure that it is in there. And here's the final product of what that looks like. I just pulled those screenshots, put them all together in this one collage style picture, and this is what you can achieve with this. So amazing tool. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions about it, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.